To get started, first, press on the extension. We have 5 functions available in this extension. We will use extract products. As you can see, we extracted the products in this list. To extract more, simply scroll down. Then, press Add to Export List and navigate to the next page. Then press Add to Export List again. Do this as many times as you like. Alternatively, you can use the auto function, which will auto-navigate the pages for you and add the data to the list. Once you're done, press Stop. Now, to export this, press Export Data. You can export it in many different ways. I will export it as HTML. After exporting, here's all the data we extracted. Let's try one more function. Let's say we want to extract the reviews of this product. So, press on the extension. Then press Extract Reviews. As you can see, we extracted the reviews in this list. To extract more, simply scroll down. And the more you scroll down, the more you will extract. Once you're done, again, press Add to Export List and export data. After exporting, here's all the data we extracted.